Hello everyone.
Hi everyone, nice to see you again.
Today is a Friday, 25th of 2021. It's nice to see you today. Today we have so many articles, so many news about what's happening last week, this week.
Yeah,
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 this week is a nice week. We see so many the price Bitcoin is like roller coaster. Yeah.
yeah. what a big roller coaster it is. Yeah. So majority of the part is being played by how China is trying to clamp down on Bitcoin. Yeah. So maybe Richard, there's some articles to show us to
Yeah,
share with us.
we hear there are so many factors, but the main thing is about China Bitcoin Crackdown, and we will go step by step to see what's happening there. And when I go around to see the article, so many of friends asking me, oh, why Bitcoin price so crazy on Monday this week, Monday
Yeah.
or Tuesday.
Over the last 1 week, it's been pretty crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and the price go below 30,000, and then they ask me, oh, should I sell to cut the loss or something like that? Yeah, and here's the reason. As we share in the previous live stream about the Chinese government crackdown, and they share some news, they spread some news to close their accounts. Yeah, and here's again, we we see so many crypto miners across China have been told to set up the shop. The shop is mean they do the mining, and then they need to relocate the mining hardware, because maybe they use not reusable energy, and then all the central bank, the country's central bank issue. This means all their bank account may be shut down, and it's make the fear, it's make the thing from them. Uh, it's it will and we see the stop servicing to crypto chain and OTC platform. Yeah, if most of the miner they are using the OTC to cash out their crypto, because with the OTC platform, they can sell with the large amount of crypto. Yeah.
Okay, maybe you may want to explain to our listeners what OTC, because some of the listeners may be new. Yeah, so what is OTC and how does it actually work for Bitcoin investors like them? You know.
The OTC platform is that's a platform allow you to buy or sell with a large amount of coin
Yeah. So
without send your coin to the
exchange.
exchange.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So basically, OTC means it's over the counter.
yeah,
So you can do trading between you and I, and we don't
yeah,
have to go to the exchange and put the exchange, and then you take the money from the exchange and all this.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So we
also
can deal
similar
directly
with
with
the
each other on the platform, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's similar with the peer-to-peer, but with the peer-to-peer, you have the with the peer-to-peer you have the limit. With the OTC, there's no limit
Yeah.
from
You can buy,
yeah,
sell any amount you want over there.
yeah, that's right. That's the reason most of the well the big amount they use OTC platform to cash out or to cash in to buy in the coin. And then
Yeah.
we see there are so many OTC look like the OTC on the exchange FTX based on the Bloomberg, they say the mining world phase 1 to speculation is phase 2. I also don't understand what is. Yeah, this thing is look like in head of OTC.
Did you share any screen with us? I can't see anything.
I am sharing to you. I'm sharing.
But I can't. It's just a blank screen. Just make sure that the YouTubers they are able to see your share screen.
Let me check. When I see on the YouTube, it's normal. It's not. So you try to click on my window there.
Your window.
Yeah. On the share screen.
Yeah, it's still a blank screen to me. Yeah.
So you can check on YouTube. There's a link. You join and try out again. You can see.
But from YouTube, users can see your share screen, right?
Can.
Yeah. So then it's okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I will go out. You continue. I will go out. And,
okay. Okay. Okay, now we wait for a while. Mr. Nicholas will reconnect with our discussion. Now, let me continue. We see okay. Nicholas is here. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, I can see.
Yeah. And you can turn on your video.
My side's problem, huh?
Yeah.
Hey? Why my camera? Okay.
Yeah. You can turn on the camera. Because the.
So I'm clicking on the camera button, but on top it says please allow.
Yeah, that's nice.
Right. Okay, now I can see your share screen. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the one that was talking about China 2021 or what?
Yeah, in China 2021 recently.
Yeah. Okay, this particular paragraph. China news isn't good. Sees authoritarian, whatever. Whether he is authoritarian or not, at the end of the day, whenever a government wants to do something crypto, it is always this thing called centralized control, centralized authority concept being adopted. Whereas Bitcoin is basically decentralized. So the argument here is the central authority and decentralization. It's not so much of authoritarian or freedom or whatever. It's the way it works. Yeah, of course, all government wants control. Which government don't want to control? Please tell me. You look at all the central banks that has been planning out and developing their central bank digital currency. Why do they want to come out develop CBDC? Because they want to control. There is a need to control the digital currency in order to for them to get tax, right? Yeah. So
that's right.
So if everything is decentralized, then government will lose the kind of grip on how people are able to move money, and then what? And then what? First thing is they are afraid of money laundering. Second thing, they are afraid of crime, high crime rates, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, that's right. You're correct, Mr. Lucas. And when I see the article also say that the Chinese citizen will always find a way to move that set outside the system, like Nicholas said, and Bitcoin is one of the way that set to move the way for them to move their assets outside, because previously we see a lot of Chinese men, a lot of Chinese tycoon, they try to buy luxury, try to buy diamond, and they go travel around the world. And after that, they sell their luxury stuff in overseas. Yeah, that's one of the ways.
Me to you and you to me and me to him and him to me. Yeah, it's merry-go-round, you know.
Yeah,
Not just the Chinese, basically. It's everybody, anybody who has a means to pay for things, to pay their way out, they will do it. You know, much like how a lot of corporations put money in Cayman. If you can avoid the tax, why wouldn't you pay tax, right?
that's
These are the things that has been happening for a long time, even before crypto is around, right?
yeah. And let's see. So can you see this? Okay. And the one thing China's new isn't good because they create the fake news.
Repeat.
Yeah, they will make the fake news to dump the price sometime, or they will use the fake news uh, to to boost the price of the crypto up for them to sell out. Yeah, it's a way to control, and we take some time to play out. And what is behind the, the China crackdown? Yeah, behind this we see the Huobi and OKX exchange. They are both operating exchange business country and exchange in 2017, and there are so many Chinese investor, Chinese trader on this exchange. Huobi and OKX is look like the BTCC last time for a long time, and some of the exchange we hear IDEX or I remember
I remember the guy.
yeah, and that's those exchanges from China, and when the government seaside the exchange, and they need to make the price come down, because a lot of traders will fear about this, because the major now we see them so many trader investor in China. They also want to buy and sell crypto. Yeah. And let's see that we see when the Chinese government they relocate the mining Bitcoin miner, and the hash rate of the Bitcoin mining slow down. The network hash rate slow down, and we see it's make the network scale, and a lot of people fear about this. And we see they also plan about the carbon neutrality. Yeah, we see that they also use some reason to make the to excuse. Yeah, there aren't the only reason China to send the decentralized uncontrollable network of crypto like Bitcoin. And we see Roof T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, CEO of the trading bot Crypto Shopper, said that China is running its own cryptocurrency, so they need to do that to manipulate the system, to control the system. And the Western, when the current crackdown started, we hear the news is started on 2021 February. It's within this year, and we see the photo, the image. This is one of the last mining operation in the province of Sichuan. The shot from APTC News. Let me go to APTC News. You will see the shot. This was the Bitcoin mining farm. You can see this.
they literally took the word farm to its name. It really looked like those huge chicken farm where they have multi stories.
Yeah, the multi-story, but they use
Yeah.
three-phase electricity, and it's
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
it's
there's
huge.
just a little bit information for new listeners. You may be wondering why this farm looks so big and all this, because this mining machine will generate a lot of heat, so you need a lot of space for the heat to dissipate.
Yeah,
Yeah, otherwise the machine is not going to work very well. Yeah, and they need three-phase power as well.
yeah, three-phase
And
hours.
because mining rigs, they take up a lot of power. So if you are using your home doing mining at home, I think your electricity bill is going to go really high up.
Yeah, I also have experience with mining at home. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
it's so fun. Yeah,
yeah.
uh,
That is why a lot of miners, they go to places where electricity bills are cheaper,
yeah,
electricity cost is cheaper, so they do their mining over there.
yeah. Okay, let's continue. We see in Mongolia. Yeah, they
Yes.
a lot of mining activity in Mongolia in China. Yeah, because it's the that mean environment is cool, so they can upgrade there. It's also nice. Um, However, we see all this is all the mining, and then after that they control the miner. Now they want to control the bank account. Yeah, it's much important. Bank caution on the crypto. We see in the previous live stream. We also share to our audience about the agriculture Chinese bank also say something, and then after that they delete within 15 minutes. Yeah,
Yeah.
they uh, they uh, they say that if the payment through the bank if related to the crypto activity, they will close the bank account. Yeah, that's why the price we see the price drag down below 30,000. Yeah, and then we see a mining exodus in China, and then we see also similar that is the more bad news on banking. Yeah, they try to boost more bad news, fake news, bad news to make the every uh, every trader have the FUD first, and the price jump down. But now we see the price Bitcoin is going back to 33,000. Now the price 33 to 35,000, and we let's see Bitcoin future in China. Yeah, we see what the future in China. I also don't know because based on the Chinese government, also they say they support the blockchains, but they don't support the cryptocurrency. Yeah, and uh, Chinese going to launch the CBDC, and we think that they will try to promote their CBDC to let more and more people to use this. But in my own opinion, Bitcoin and CBDC made together is not only not one man only can use. It look like with the USDT,
Yeah.
USDC, and the other stable coin, they also going out there to support the Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrency. Yeah,
When it comes to thinking about Bitcoin and CBDC together, so it inspires me to think that it is very much like how a dollar used to be backed by gold, and then there is this gold there. So, of course, the fiber of how it works is going to be different. But you look at CBDC. CBDC is run by government. I am government produced CBDC, and then there's this Bitcoin that very likely will still be around for a long time. So a lot of people may begin later on to view this Bitcoin as literally digital gold, and CBDC is just the digital currency. That's probably what may happen when it comes to effective use of CBDC all over the world in future. People, every country have their own CBDC, and then they'll start to use it to buy sell, do their whatever, and then Bitcoin, I don't think it will go off. I don't think it will disappear. It will still be around in a form of digital gold, so to speak. I believe that.
Yeah, in my own opinion, I also think the same with Nicholas. With when the CBDC from some of the country coming out and distribute together with the Bitcoin, and people they can use the CBDC to buy the crypto via versus. Yeah, also similar with the USDT you use to buy and sell. Yeah, that is, and then after that you can use your USDT to buy your food, or you buy or use CBDC to buy your food to make a payment, to buy all your utility. Yeah, it's also the same. And then people they use CBDC as their fiat, as their cash nowadays. Yeah, it's like today. And and with the CBDC they use it as a daily normal life. Yeah, with the Bitcoin and crypto is at their own investing, their own investment. Yeah, which is about exchange. The Chinese government most commonly cites concern about the exchange volatility and recent speculation around digital currency. Yeah, that's why they rest ahead with the digital yuan project. In this, China is not alone. Many government, so many government running for it, and we see also the recent news about the El Salvador.
El Salvador.
El Salvador. They also have this thing, and they let the people know the crypto. The crypto community feel very excited about us. That is some of the discussion, the brief about what we need to know, what you need to know about the Bitcoin Crackdown from China 2021. It starts from the February 2021, and this not the latest news. This not very breaking news. It's just a thing. It's just a tool from China. They want to use to. Sometimes they want to dump the price to buy more and more crypto from the big whales. We all can see what's happening during when the price going down. Last week, a few days ago, and the whales, when I check in the whale wallet, they have sell out 1,500 BTC, and now they buy back around 4,000 BTC. Yeah, they have more. They earn more because we see they have sell out 60 million. Now they buy in around 134 million. Is 4 times more than 2 times of the BTC they have now, which is now the current BTC now in the wallet is around 115,000 BTC. Yeah, that is a huge wallet. We see that, and we see the activity of this wallet, and we can determine our trading decision. And then the next article with the Chinese action, which is this news is about from yesterday. El Salvador U.S. Bitcoin partner lagged with the key license. El Salvador and U.S. Bitcoin. Also nice article. Yeah, let's see. But let's see with the latest news. The latest news I want to share to audience is about the when with the happening with the China the Bitmain they will delay they will delay the Bitcoin miners selling out. The Bitmain suspend the selling of the Bitcoin mining mining machine amid to the China crackdown here.
Suspend sales of mining machine. Why? Perhaps because like what is up here amid the China crackdown on all this mining, so it may perhaps it's less profitable to sell right now.
Yeah, that's right. Less profit to sell. Bitmain is one of the largest
Pretty large,
miner
very large.
mining machine factory. Yeah, they also supply the supply. Some of our friends asking where they can buy the Bitcoin miners. So just go to Bitmain to place the order. Yeah, because now Bitmain they also have the mining machine for not only Bitcoin but also for Litecoin. Yeah, they use the mining machine for Litecoin, and we see some of the positive news. The news this news is about will New York get a Bitcoin mayor? This like voting for
Bitcoin mayor.
Bitcoin mayor, yeah. Because New Yorker they maybe they want him to become, but he's one of the people who reference Bitcoin on this day. He's referencing Bitcoin on this day and again as the board press conference this morning. Yeah, that's the edit. Yeah, that is some.
It's very positive about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin can influence the future of not just finance but also politics, perhaps.
Yeah.
So I guess there will be a lot of politicians who start collecting funds through Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's right. We some of the news we shared to our audience a few days ago also about the some of the fund they also receive the donation through the crypto. Yeah. That is one of, and now we see the market. How's the market? Yeah, here's the market. Bitcoin retest 35,000 and retest 35,000 we see on the trading views. And now let's go to the trading view to have a look on there. And if we see, and now here, now I trying to here's the chart on the trade view, and we can change to the dark. Yeah, we can have a look on this. Here's the current price, and we see when the price go down have the last. Yeah, and we see now the volume is all the buy volume. A lot of people buy from today within 4 hours. Let's see how 4 hours the price go up like this. Yeah, it's a nice chart today. Yeah, light extension, Fibonacci extension. If I see Fibonacci extension, they will make the retest that the chart is 37,000. Yeah. And we check with the other DMI directional movement index like last time we see. Now no one want to sell out, and within the 4 hours we see within 1 day. Yeah, all is good. the seller, they don't want to sell out more, but the buyer still like this. Is in my own opinion, the price maybe go sideways based on these charts, but the price will retest around 36 to 38,000. 36 to 38,000. Yeah. To check the price. And let's see. Okay, and then now I go to the news, the article, back to the article. Let's see how's the here. And we go to the Cointelegraph. We have also some of the news about the China from China. That's from Shanghai Man. China retained mining control. Alipay, ASEAN NFT, and Amber big race. Yeah, it's also share again the news we shared just now is about Bitmain lend a helping hand. Miami, this is the Miami here. Yeah. Miami, yeah. The Amber is here. Miami. Amber is the color of your energy. Yeah. It says
the color of your energy, amber.
Amber is well known among institutions for their financial service, asset management, OTC services, and lending. This is one of the cryptocurrency service provider based in Hong Kong. Yeah, the complete CDP. Yeah. Alipay is for foray into NFT. Top payment process. Alipay continue to push on-chain technology. Yeah, they want to sell out of some of the NFT 8,000 NFT scheme. Yeah, this are some of the news from Cointelegraph. Also similar with some other thing we share about the story with from China Crackdown, and which is based blockchain.com easily using the crypto transaction. Oh, this also some of the article about the blockchain.com, the transaction by carbon credit to Bitcoin footprints. News-based digital access easy lancer tokenized stock offering. Yeah, which is the Solana blockchain. Now they attract a lot of they attract Google, attract Netflix, a lot of big company to make the tokenize on their blockchains. Yeah, you can see some of news here, and the news on the news here also too. Let me see news.market. The news here, here the Tesla, Facebook, Google stock. The stock lands on the Solana blockchain. Yeah. This is a good news for all the crypto and blockchain companies.
What is this Solana blockchain again?
Solana blockchain is a blockchain
with the blockchain by themselves, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's similar with the that is the they have their own coins similar with the Bitmain blockchain, Bitmain Smart Chain, or Ethereum. Yeah, and this is based on the Solana, because we all can see nowadays it's Ethereum ERC20, and now some of the company they make the stock they based on the Solana blockchain to make their token. Yeah, to say, and this news spread like the Swiss-based digital asset AG. They launch a tokenized stock. They want to sell that tokenized to the other people. Similar, if you go to the Bitmain exchange, you can buy the Tesla, to buy the Coinbase stock like that. And now,
probably very much like how people wants to buy stock in a stock market exchange, but this is totally different. This is a tokenized stock offering, so it's like a stock share, but it's tokenized.
yeah, that's right. This based on the Swiss-based digital asset XG. Yeah, this is news from them, and they want to spread out to tell the world. We do the tokenize, and people they want to buy the stock, the digital currency now. Yeah, and we see the price. Some of people say 4 days ago say worst case scenario plan B. Remember,
Yeah.
worst case scenario. Offering a potential time. Yeah, let's see, August, July. Because this new coming out before the Chinese cracking down news, and this I also don't know if the price can hit the worst case scenario, but I also think that it's maybe, and based on some of the charts, some of the economist analysts like the Robert Kiyosaki also say, and he also say that he wait for 24,000 to buy in. Yeah.
Well, he can wait for 24,000 buy-in. So if he's saying this, then if the price really goes down to 24, and then I think it will spike up pretty fast, because you see guys like this keep buying it. It has to go up after that. It has to go up on a sharp curve.
Yeah, of course, we can see from the Bitcoin charts, we can see that the price is go down to 28,000 on 3 days ago, on 22nd of June. Yeah, you see it's around 28,000. With the candle we see that, and now it's go up. Now it's go up to 30. The peak is 35,000. Yeah. And how it will make a retest around 36 to 38. Yeah, that's not neutral in improvement of the Bitcoin, and we hope so, and we hope in the future, and we just let's see some of the Bitcoin movement of the whales they do it, and we can make our own decision for trading, and don't be panic, because it will have the balance between Bitcoin, altcoin, and all the fiat USD. So it may make a balance with the other pair like the stock, like gold, and the other will jump into that place to gain the access.
Yes. And in fact, a price movement like this actually is a very good thing for everyday trader. If you are someone who sits on a computer all day working from home, and then you are constantly looking at the market at the same time, it's good for such people, such traders, because like every time there's a big movement, they quickly buy in, and then after that they make a margin every now and then. Yeah. So of course, for those long haul buyers, they will look for the lowest price ever, and then when the price is reached to a low point, they're still not satisfied. They want it to be lower, and then the price move up, they miss the chance.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So it's always good to exercise some restraint and try not to expect the price to go down to zero. I mean, if it go down to zero, please don't buy. So there must be always, like what Richard mentioned, there must always be a balance, element of balance somewhere. Yeah, and because this market itself, whenever there are it's the same thing as what you are doing in the stock market. Whenever someone is selling, someone must be buying. If someone is buying, someone should be selling. Otherwise, the price will not move.
Yeah. I think it's time for us to say goodbye to our audience. And if you have any question, please let us know. And Mr. Nicholas, you want to share anything to our?
That's so much as what I need to share today. So as usual, trade safely, read up on the news. Try not to expect too much from the news as well. Even though you are reading it, you kind of gauge, you absorb the news and make your own decision from there. Oh, perhaps the price can go up, or perhaps the price might go down. But at the end of the day, I bought some. What was that? ETH 2100. I look at it. Oh, it went down to 2001. So good. I bought. It went down further, but it's fine, you know. So once the market corrects itself and it moves up again, I can sell it at more than that price.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks to our audience today, and thank you, Mr. Nicholas. And now we complete the live stream. Have a good day.
Bye bye.